Well, morning, it's early. I'm going flying into a gorge. Won't say much more than that until we get in the air, but it's about 25-minute flight north, and then we're in the gorge. It's just sunrise now. The light should be beautiful. Dead calm conditions. Yeah, it should be good. I think I'm all set to go. I should be back in an hour and a half for a hot coffee, sit by the fire and have some cooked breakfast. That's the plan. See how we go. I won't use up too much camera time though.
This video was brought to you by you because you subscribed. Thank you so much. American traffic, microlight 6340, lines up rolls and tracks out to the north, American. See you soon.
Give us a call when you head into the gorge.
Yeah, will do. It's so smooth up here. Alright, we're airborne, we're going. It's just clean the lens, eh? Yeah, so smooth. I got interference from somewhere. Who knows what that is? It's going to annoy me. Turn the radio down a bit. Right, so we want to probably slow it down a bit here. Slow the climb anyway. Alright, we're 2 minutes. 2 minutes to go until we enter the gorge. 2,000 feet at the moment. There's a few bumps around. I'm not sure what it'll be like in the valley. It's probably a crosswind. Like for me, a crosswind. So we'll have to sort of feel this one out a little bit. It's not as smooth as I hoped it might be. As I said, 2 minutes to go. We'll turn the panoramic 360 on in a minute. I'm just hoping I've got enough battery because it's supposed to be charging in the aircraft, but it doesn't appear to be. It might sustain the power, I don't know. Anyway, we're not here for that. Nearly over our first entry waypoint, which is Sylvan Waters. I think that's what you say, how you say it. The runways are in front of us. We're coming up here later this morning for morning tea, actually, with a group of other planes. Have the gorge before me. Alright, that's enough of looking at me. Take this in. Oh, actually, I've got the other cameras rolling. Oh, the panoramic, I've got to start that. Let's just make sure we get this. Okay, Sylvan Springs is what it's called. Here's the gorge in front of us. Pulling off power. Actually, I might pull the power off and use my foot. Here we go. We're going to feel out the turbulence and everything. Of course. There's a little bit of water in there. It's a dry part of the year, so there won't be a whole lot of waterfalls or anything. So this might be a good one just to do now while it's in this condition, and if I ever get another chance to come back, we shall, if, you know, we can get the right weather conditions and an early morning start like this. It's kind of hard to see with the haze and smoke and dust. Turbulence isn't too bad. I don't know how low I can get in here, but there's a big dog leg here they warn me about. I really don't want to get below the hills. I'm not that keen. See the dog leg here. Coming back might be better with the sun on the back. Big water hole there, look at that. This is the big doggy. I'm going over that hill by looks. I can't get around there. So into the sun it's really hard to see. Rising terrain before me. Oh, there's a bigger dog leg. I'm not this keen. But we're doing okay, guys. I don't think I'd bring anyone in here as a passenger. Unless they were absolutely keen, but you know, like, this isn't really that smart actually. It's so, yeah, you know what I mean. Monitoring my engine and oils and temperatures and everything really close. Not to say that nothing great could happen, but let's not go that way. Look at how beautiful this is. You couldn't do this in a howling wind, right? I'm actually now further south of my last waypoint to turn around. It still looks spectacular down here. I didn't think it would be. That's why I wasn't going to go further south. I think I'm going north. So I'm further past. I've gone past my waypoint. But it just keeps getting better and better. I'm going to stay above the hills. I think most of you would agree I'm probably not in a good place here. Alright, I think we'll get past this big hill and we'll turn around and try it the other way with the sun on our backs. See how my battery's going. No, I won't. It's too dangerous. I'll just hope that it's going. It doesn't matter if it's not going, or what can I do about it, really? Every little bit lures you in further. Look at this big rocky outcrop on the right. Shame it's not in the sun. Actually, we might go down and see what I mean about luring it in. There's a big rocky outcrop, a couple on the left in the sun further down. We'll turn around just past those. That looks like a plan. We should get some epic video. Sorry about the haze, but you know, smoky Queensland fires at the moment. And actually I think the smoke's coming up from New South Wales. Wow, isn't that nice? So here's my turnaround ahead, my turnaround point. Who would have thought this was here? This is, I'm only here looking at this now because about 2 months ago I flew into that place we saw further back called Sylvan Springs. And we were talking about this gorge and I said, really? I've got to film that. And that's how I found out about it. And here we are doing another trip into Mergen with an opportunity to do this. Okay, I can see, I said I'm going to turn around, I'm sticking to it this time. We're going to turn left, we're going to climb. I don't want to miss out on my cooked breakfast, of course.
We have bacon, sangers, sausages for you Americans. That's onion, that's mushrooms. That's egg scrambled. I wonder what people in America call it, or Europe.
Scrambled eggs.
Baked beans, are you cultured, are you? Baked beans, do they know what baked beans is? Fill up your plates. And the bread. There's something special about this bread. I can't remember what it is.
Hand baked.
It's breakfast time
Damper.
and
This is
Australian damper and a coffee to go with it.